What's up, YouTube? The Mavericks1 coming at you with another video. Today, we have the dreaded 211 high gravity steel reserve. You may be wondering, Mav, why haven't you made any videos of this yet? Well, simply because I can't really chug them, and it tastes like shit too. But I'm going to pour this. Oh, and by the way, I found the chug mug again, so that's back. And drink as much as this I can without fucking puking, because I know if I'm gonna puke, because like these things are nasty. So yeah, okay. Not a huge fan of Steel Reserve, but like I said, I'll try to drink as much of this as I can, but I'm not going to waste all my food, so I'm not going to try to chug it.
Costs $1.29 instead of 99 cents now.
It actually doesn't taste nearly as bad out of this mug as it is fucking good to breathe. But man, I don't know if it's the hops or the thickness of it or like the alcohol content or what, but like I cannot chug these motherfucking things. I'll be happy if I even fucking finish them, honestly. You may say, oh, you're a bitch. Shoe Nice can chug way more than you and eat weird shit, or like, fucking, like, Shoe Nice can eat fucking weirder shit than you, or like, how people are cooler than you, but like, whatever. You've seen how fast I can drink the fucking regular beer, but like, it's just something about the high gravity shit that I can't drink, so I decided I'd finally at least make a fucking video with it, so you guys can see how fucking horrible I am at chugging it, but, yeah. Came here for a speed chugging video. This one's not the one, my friends. Not the ones. Anyways, yeah, this is a video that I'm making. I'm about to grow a fucking 3-foot long beard for fucking Halloween. think that if I can make a fucking dog bite video, that I can make a fucking hurricane video because that shit got fucking 2 more %. Like, it's just something about this shit. Make it better time than actually usual. Fuck. Don't get me wrong, I like the Steel Reserve, but man, yeah, I'm doing better than I thought, actually. Sorry this video is so long, like I warned you. It's not gonna be very fucking, yeah. Rugby. Once again, sorry this video is so long, but hey, fuck it. Trying my best to fucking finish this. But like I said, I definitely don't want to fucking waste the shit. That shit hits your gut. Haven't had much to eat today either, so I'm probably about to be pretty buzzed. Been paying attention to the show called Dexter. I don't know if any of you motherfuckers watch it. It's a pretty fucking sick show. I'll be done here very shortly. Probably be more videos to come tonight. Steel Reserve, 24 ounce. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, stay metal.